Microsoft made a big announcement recently about Copilot Plus PC. So these are PCs with Copilot and AI capability right into the device. So this is a brand new set of devices that are coming out from Microsoft, as well as some of their partners like Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Samsung. And they run on a new Snapdragon processor. And this new processor actually includes something called an NPU, which is a neural processing unit, and that specializes in the matrix math required for AI. So there's a new set of laptops coming out here in June that you'll be able to take advantage of this capability where it runs Copilot and runs AI natively on the machine. So there are some cool things you can do with it. First, you can take advantage of the 3 new capabilities that they're including in there. The first is recall, which is basically like photographic memory on the PC, where it will catalog everything you're doing. And so if you go, what was I working on yesterday? It will actually bring up some content related to some of the things that you're talking about, even if you don't say it quite right. So the ability to be able to search things super effectively and have the context of what you've done before will be right there on your PC for you. There's a co-creator capability. So if you say, I want a background picture of a turtle, swimming in mud, it will be able to create that image for you. You'll be able to easily modify it. You'll be able to easily modify images that you look at in another context. You can take the background out and do all those kinds of things with it. And then another cool thing is live captions. So with your PC sitting there, you can speak to someone in a different language and it'll actually translate that for you relatively real time. So you'll be able to have a conversation with a person in another language, even if you're disconnected from the internet using the power of your PC. So what's different about Copilot and PC, it's really taking the power of the large language models and moving it down to your PC, and so it doesn't require cloud connection, what Microsoft calls edge computing, which means just on-premise computing. So it's these small language models that you'll be able to take advantage of and use to do even more and be productive. And it also helps from a security standpoint, because all of that content about what you've been doing on your PC and everything it's tracking will just stay locally on the PC. So that isn't shared with Microsoft. So if you want to know that your PC can track all this information but isn't sharing it out anywhere, you can take advantage of this capability and dramatically improve your productivity. And then another big thing Microsoft's talking about is the speed of these machines as well too. So they say it's their fastest device ever. It's 58% faster than Apple's MacBook Air running the M3 processor. So they've really been able to improve the performance and using that performance to be able to give you an even better experience on your machine. So the devices are now available for pre-order. Some of the Surface devices start at $999, so they'll be shipping here later in June. But this looks like a really interesting step in increasing productivity and being able to take advantage of this AI capability right on your PCs. So definitely worth checking out.